everybody, man? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for you guys, man. Listen, y'all already know the Air Jordan 6 UNC released today, man. But while your boy was out and about, man, Dick's Sporting Goods was giving out wristbands for the Air Jordan 12 playoffs, man. So you definitely want to either call up there today or go up to your local Dick's Sporting Goods if they normally get sneakers in your area and see if they're doing wristbands as well, man. But listen, if this is your first time rocking out with your boy, man, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and also like and share the video, man. Also follow me on Instagram at chaotic_kicks, man, where y'all will see your boy keep y'all up to date with all the latest sneaker news, man, as far as for retail prices, release dates, pushbacks, and markup pictures that I get from Z Sneakerhead, as well as Sneaker Files, man. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get into this video, man. Listen, when it comes to this UNC colorway, bro, we all know it do phenomenal on the resale side. For example, man, take these UNC Air Jordan 3s right here, man, right? Like when I say when it comes to the colorway, man, this sneaker right here did sit in my area for about a week, but I think it's doing better numbers only because the sneaker is more closer to the PE in the UNC colorway than most others that we get, man. But UNC colorways tend to go up over time in price, man. Just look at StockX and go, bruh, if you want to know a reference or whatnot. Also, take the UNC 4, man. These sneakers are starting to rise up in price as we speak as well. You know, I definitely had to bring out the University blue ones, man. Listen, I know on this pair right here, a lot of people was complaining about the glue stains, but I'm happy to say that my pair did come flawless. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm pretty happy that my pair looked the way that it is. But still, another shoe that's doing phenomenal on the resale market when it comes to the UNC colorway. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get into the reason why y'all pulled up to this video. Starting with the box, you can see that they did give us a special box. You got the UNC colorway for the lid with a white Jumpman on the top, cement print on the bottom, and the label and colorway reads Air Jordan 6 Retro. Colorway is University blue, white, black. This is a size 10.5. Personal pair, and these things did retail for 210 bucks. Opening up the lid, you can see that you do get a stick, also a stamp right there in the top, cement paper, and also a green sticker off inside the box. Bam, man, there you have it, the Air Jordan 6 UNCs, man. Listen, I love this sneaker, bro. They do have a black version of this sneaker that your boy is looking to put in his collection as well. But you gotta hand it to Jordan brand, man. You know, they might not give us the PEs of these sneakers, but they do a phenomenal job when it comes to the GR releases, man. You know, I can't complain at all about this sneaker, man. The new buck, the leather, everything is just dope about it. You know, I hear a lot of people complaining about the little tag that's on the back, but at the end of the day, man, that don't break or make a sneaker. You know what I mean? I love the colorway, and 9 out of 10, bro, if somebody looking back here at your sneaker, bro, while you wearing them, they looking at the wrong thing, bro. They need to be looking at the fit and how everything coordinates that way. You feel what I'm talking about? But at the end of the day, bro, let's go ahead and get into a closer detail look at this sneaker. Starting with the outsole, you can see that you do get hits of white, that North Carolina blue with the Jumpman, and also a little bit of icy bottom down here. Work your way up to the midsole. You got a black color midsole that leads up into that leather and UNC side panel, white laces, obsidian Jumpman, black tongue, obsidian lace lock with a white Jumpman, bruh. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat this, man. They executed this sneaker to the T, and they only came with the white laces that's laced up in it, no spare laces. Clear upper tongue with that Air Jordan logo on the top. Phenomenal Tar Heel colorway behind the tongue, as well as in the insole of the sneaker as well, man. I love the pull tab as well on the back. Definitely helps out whenever you slide this sneaker on your foot. And to top it off with the tag that reads quality product inspired by the greatest basketball player ever, man. Right, that was my review about the Air Jordan 6 UNCs, man. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about that down in the comment section below. Also, man, can't wait to bring the Air Jordan 12 playoff review to you guys, man. So I already know that I have that in the book for y'all guys. Also, I will do another video probably today, later on today or tomorrow, about a topic that I wanted to discuss with you guys, man. I don't want to tell y'all right now to spoil it, but if you want to catch that, please go ahead and subscribe, and also ring the notification bell so that you don't miss it. So until next time, man, y'all keep y'all heads up, have a blessed day, rock what you cop, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.